what if I told you the next iPhone SE might not even be an SE anymore? That's right, Apple's budget-friendly darling could be getting a whole new name, the iPhone 16e. Crazy, right? But when you dig into the rumors, it starts to make a lot of sense, so let's unpack everything we know about this so-called iPhone 16e, from its sleek design to its game-changing features, and why this rebranding might be Apple's smartest move yet. All right, let's start with the juicy details of what's supposedly coming with the iPhone the iPhone 16e. First off, imagine the iPhone 14 design. Yep, we're talking that notch with Face ID and a stunning 6.1-inch OLED display. That alone is a massive glow up for the SE series, which hasn't seen a real design upgrade since 2020. And did I mention it'll pack the A18 chip with Apple Intelligence support? We're talking flagship level performance on a budget phone. Plus, there's a USB-C port finally, and for photography fans, it'll feature a single 48 megapixel rear camera using the same sensor as the iPhone 15. Pretty impressive, right? But wait, there's more. This will be Apple's first phone to use their in-house 5G modem, which could save them big bucks on production. More on that in a bit. Now, here's the part where my skepticism kicks in. Some folks are throwing around a $499 price tag for the iPhone SE 4, and honestly, I'm scratching my head. Why? Well, Apple's iPhone 14 is currently $599, and the iPhone 15 starts at $699. So, how on earth could a newer phone with components borrowed from both these models and an even newer chipset be $499? Sounds too good to be true, right? But here's the thing, Apple might actually pull it off. How? Two major cost-saving moves. First, ditching Qualcomm's pricey modems in favor of their own in-house tech. And second, swapping out Samsung OLEDs for more affordable panels from BOE and LG. These changes could bring production costs down significantly. All right, let's talk branding. If the iPhone SE 4 or 16e really hits the market at $499, it would undercut the iPhone 16 by a whopping $300. That's a lot of cash for just Dynamic Island, the action button, and an ultra-wide camera. Sounds like a no-brainer to choose the SE4, right? But here's the twist. What if Apple rebrands it as the iPhone 16e and prices it at $599 instead? Think about it. The SE branding has always had a bit of a budget stigma. By calling it the iPhone 16e, Apple could align it with the current lineup, making it feel less like a compromise and more like a strategic choice. Plus, this would help distinguish it from older models like the iPhone 15, which might still be on sale. Genius, right? And let's be real, can we even call it an SE anymore? Historically, SE has meant small and compact. But with a 6.1-inch display, this thing isn't exactly pocket-friendly. The 16e branding feels cleaner, more modern, and honestly just makes the phone seem cooler. Oh, and here's a fun fact. Naming it 16e could even boost sales. Why? Because casual shoppers wouldn't have to Google its specs to figure out where it fits in the lineup. It's simple. It's part of the iPhone 16 family. Done and dusted. So, what do you think? Is the iPhone 16e name change a smart move, or are you still holding out for the classic SE branding? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take on this one. And hey, if you enjoyed this deep dive into Apple's strategy, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech insights, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.